Did you know your thoughts shape your reality? Every day your brain is listening and what you say and what you think. The good news is you can rewire your brain for success, happiness and confidence just by using positive affirmation. This is your host Anand, and in this video we will try to know about how to rewire your brain of following positive affirmation. So let's begin. So let's first discuss about the science behind it. The science explains three things behind of how to work on positive affirmation. First of all is neuroplasticity, reticular activating system, short form is RAS, and final is self-fulfilling prophecy. So, neuroplasticity. Your brain creates and strengthens neural pathways based on repeated thoughts. Positive affirmation help replace negative pathways, the positive ones. Reticular activating system. The path of your brain filter information based on what you focus on. If you focus on positive, your brain start noticing and attracting more positive experience. Self-fulfilling prophecy. When you repeated affirmation something, your brain being to believe it, influencing your action and decision to align with those affirmation. So, how to use positive affirmation effectively? In this case, you can use the following steps like be specific, use emotion, repeat daily, write down them, mirror method. So, be specific. Instead of saying, I want to be confident, say, I am confident and capable in everything I can do it. So, use emotion. Feel the words you say, then believe in with full emotion. Repeat daily. Say your affirmation in the morning, before bed, or anytime you need to boost your brain. Write down them. Journaling affirmation make them more powerful, so obviously you can write them immediately. Mirror method. Look into your eyes and affirm your beliefs. So, when you do this consistently, your brain starts believing those new thoughts. Over time, your self-doubt decreases and your neural attract the success and confidence is derived. So, are you ready to take the control of your mind? So, start today with just one positive affirmation. Obviously, comment below is open for everyone. You can share your thoughts with one positive affirmation and let me know about the positive affirmation. And let's rewire our brain together. So, till then, stay safe, stay with us. Allah Hafiz.